So this is the box I just bought, and it's in decent shape, but didn't have a mechanism or anything. Then this is the mechanism out of this beat up box. It's pretty crappy, and it didn't have a face plate. It was mostly there. So this regular movement will not fit inside this box. This box is like that much smaller, and it doesn't line up. And then the mounting plates are not right. Little pieces of wood inside do not line up with these right here. I don't think these can be adjusted in any different position on this. And I also like the dancers that are on it, because they've got this special deal here which makes them reverse midway. They start spinning the other way. Some of these just have gear drives on the bottoms of this plate here, and they only spin in one direction. But this causes them to spin one way when the tire hits this piece, and then they end up going in the other direction when the tire hits this piece right here. And this is spinning around at the same time. So I really like this, and I want to use this with the regular mechanism, but I'm not sure it's going to fit in this box. So what I need to do is take the faceplate off and not tear it up, and see if it will fit onto this. It's pretty close. This is just a shade longer than this one here. So that decorative faceplate might work. I just got to be careful getting it off, because it looks like the other one I have broke right here, and it also looks like this one might have fallen off the wall and it broke down in there pretty bad. There's pieces missing. So, but anyway, that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to make one good clock out of a bunch of junk pieces, and that's the fun part. So